Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will going to discuss some interesting GK questions. So let's start. First question. Name the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Answer. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which city is known as Gold Capital of the World? Answer. Johannesburg. In India, the state known for its sandalwood is? Answer. Karnataka. The national game of Japan is? Answer. Sumo wrestling. In which state the president's rule was imposed first in India? Answer. Andhra Pradesh. In eye donation, which part of donor's eye is utilized? Answer. Cornea. Name the first Indian woman to get Nobel Prize. Answer. Mother Teresa. Orange Prize is given in the field of? Answer. Literature. Which is a green planet in the solar system? Answer. Uranus. Who is the author of Unhappy India? Answer. Lala Lajpat Rai. Who was the founder of Nanda dynasty? Answer. Mahapadma Nanda. What does airbag used for safety of car driver contains? Answer. Sodium azide. A mixture of sand and naphthalene can be separated by which process? Answer. Sublimation. Chinese traveler Yuan Sang studied at the University of? Answer. Nalanda. The first newspaper in the world was started by which country? Answer. China. The country also known as country of copper. Answer. Zambia. Aga Cup is associated with which sport? Answer. Hockey. Which country has the largest coastline? Answer. Canada. The birthplace of Maharani Lakshmibai was? Answer. Varanasi. An email account includes a storage area often called. Answer: mailbox. What is the capital of South Africa? Please comment this answer in the comment box and subscribe my channel to watch the latest videos.